Right. Question from the audience from Vijay. So he thanks you for your insightful slides on reliability versus durability. However, he's asking that the Indian customers' purchase cycle or vehicle retention cycle has changed, right? Now people are cycling through vehicles more often compared to before when people used to own vehicles for 15 or 20 years, So with that in mind, why would somebody spend more on durability or in design? That is what his question is.
Durability, customer may or may not be immediately interested because he's changing. That's why one of my slides I forgot to ask one question: who is the customer? Customer is a stakeholder. A stakeholder is also a customer. Suppose I am a battery manufacturer, I am giving my battery to your vehicle. We both are customer to each other. We all understand that. And at the end of the day, the leasing company, if I am giving using a Zoom model or pay-per-use model, on that day I hired a vehicle of somebody and I'm not interested in durability. It's okay. Now who's the customer? Customer is a Zoom guy. He is funding or leasing the vehicle. He will demand durability. See, end customer may be in morning and evening. A lot of auto rickshaws will be only given in the somebody will go to the auto stand. I will hire it for the day and earn money, give you some portion of yours and take my money home. I may not like to buy auto rickshaw anymore. I may not like to buy a small vehicle anymore. Or I will not even like to buy a two-wheeler for my delivery anymore. I'll go to some Yulu kind of thing or साहब मेरे को दे दीजिए आज के लिए. I will pay, use it and pay you whatever you want and make my money. He may not be interested, but the Yulu guy will be interested. I want reliability. I want durability also because I am funding it. Some other stakeholder is going to put his money. So please understand that. The customer doesn't mean always the end customer who is riding the vehicle. The stakeholder. I hope I answered, Vijay.
Agreed, agreed, sir. I think if I may just button, but I think there's a lot of experience coming through from what you shared, and for a great learning. Thank you.
I missed out on that. Can anybody clarify?
I think he just appreciated the insights you give and he thanks you for that.
Most,
Uh,
my pleasure.
okay.